Question 1. What is the highest mountain in the world?
Answer: Mount Everest.
Question 2. What is the largest continent by land area?
The answer is Asia.
Question 3. Which insect is capable of producing a loud buzzing sound by rapidly moving its wings?
Answer: It's cricket.
Question 4. Which country was the first to use paper money?
It's China.
Question 5. What is the name of the largest freshwater lake in the world by volume?
Lake Baikal is the correct answer.
Question 6. What is the name of the first spacecraft to land on a comet?
Answer: It's Rosetta.
Question 7. What is the name of the world's oldest university?
The University of Bologna.